Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I am Imran, and today I am going to tell you about adverbs. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word added to a verb, adjective or another adverb to modify their meaning. For example, he is working now. So now is an adverb because it is telling more about the working. Another example is they are exceptionally skillful. So skillful is an adjective and exceptionally is an adverb. So adverb is a word that tells more about a verb, adjective or another adverb. Now the types of adverb. There are 4 types of adverb. These are adverb of manner, adverb of frequency, adverb of time and adverb of place. And I am going to discuss these types one by one. The first one is adverb of manner. These adverbs tell us that in which manner the action occurs or how the action occurs or occurred or will occur. And the examples are she speaks loudly, he was driving slowly, you replied correctly, he runs fast, they solved the problem easily. So in the first example, she speaks loudly. So speak is a verb and loudly is an adverb. And it is the adverb of manner. Now the next type. Adverb of frequency. Adverbs of frequency tell us how many times the action occurs or occurred or will occur. For example, daily, sometimes, often, seldom, usually, frequently, always, ever, generally, rarely, monthly, yearly. And the examples are she goes to school daily. She never smokes. Next example is he is always late for class. And the last example is they always come in time. In the first example, he goes to school daily. Daily is an adverb and the goes is verb. So the word daily is qualifying that verb. So it is an adverb. And it is an adverb of frequency. The next type is adverb of time. These adverbs tell us about the time of action. For example, now, then, soon, tomorrow, yesterday, today, tonight, again, early, and yesterday. Examples are I will buy a computer tomorrow. The guest came yesterday. Another example is do it now. The next one is she is still waiting for her brother. The last example is he got up early in the morning. So in the first example, I will buy a computer tomorrow. In this sentence, buy is a verb and tomorrow is an adverb because it is telling more about the buy. Now the next type. The next type is adverb of place. Adverb of place tells us about the place of action or where action occurs or occurred or will occur. For example, here, there, near, somewhere, outside, ahead, on the top, at some place. And the examples are he will come here. The children are playing outside. He was standing near the wall. They were flying kites on the top of hill. And the last example is he lives somewhere in New York. So in the first example, he will come here. Come is a verb and here is an adverb. And this is an adverb of place. So it was all about adverb. I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.